As international travel resumes, there are global concerns over rise in COVID cases. On Friday, United Kingdom recorded over 44,000 COVID cases, while the German government is now considering a lockdown as it recorded over 50,000 cases in a day earlier this week. Meanwhile, situation remains tense in Netherlands as violent protests took place over the new COVID restrictions by the government. But what does all of this mean for India? At the moment, we are recording around 10,000 COVID cases daily, but as international flights open up, do we need to be extra cautious? That's the question we are tracking here on Mirror Now, trying to get expert opinion on how India should look at these developments. So Mirror Now spoke to several medical health experts and senior officials over this issue. While allaying fears over the European COVID surge, experts said that India is at a much better position and that the European surge is due to the Delta variant, which the country has already battled in May. They also added that there is no need to change any policy when it comes to international travel.
The COVID surge is being observed in the countries where they have not seen the Delta surge previously. Delta in the sense the Delta strain that is now dominates around the world or its variants. So countries like Germany, Austria and all had not seen a Delta surge previously. While on the other hand, countries like Spain and Italy had seen that. India, of course, had a massive Delta surge in April and May. So in that sense, the countries which had not seen Delta surge, they are seeing a surge right now, once again driven by Delta. Number two, some of the countries where the vaccination percentage has been rather poor, for example, Austria, they are also seeing a surge in cases. Now, there are two lessons in this. Number one is that vaccination is an important aspect which India has done extraordinarily well. As we have seen that India has crossed 100 crore mark a few days ago. So, and it is known that although Delta at times is seen to break through, the vaccinated individuals are very well protected against severe form of the disease and against mostly mortality has come down because of vaccination. So in that sense, we should be cautious, but we should not be alarmed by international travel opening up.
20+%. So that means lots of people will have immunity. And also our vaccination is going very well, much better than many other countries where there is a vaccine hesitancy or even active protest against vaccine. So those are certainly the advantages we have, and which is obvious from the low number of cases that we are seeing across the country. Having said that, the virus is highly mutable. That is the main strength of the virus. And we should do everything possible to prevent the virus from taking a ride on us. Virus is down, but not out. So the very good thing in past several months is that no new variant of any concern has emerged in India or anywhere else. So that gives us very good position that we can control it in such a better way, because at the moment vaccine and seropositivity is helping. But we must be careful, because if we give a chance for the virus to propagate, because vaccines, remember, they don't stop the infection, they help us in reducing the severity of the disease and hospitalization or death. So they're extremely useful.